we will be test driving that beauty right there. The naughtiest vehicle on the road. They even have a Hummer. I haven't seen a Hummer in 10 years. Oh guys, these are real exhaust. Bell. Okay, so guys, we're in first gear. Yo. What's up guys, welcome back to another car guy video. We are back with another test drive, this time on a 2020 Toyota Quantum 2.5 D Sesfikile. Now this video is long overdue. I was supposed to do this video on the Quantum weeks ago, but I lost my phone mount which I use for the POV videos. Now guys, I brought a very important something with me to do these videos, or today's video, and that is a moon bag. Now the reason for this is because, you know, taxi drivers usually keep the moon bags here somewhere for all the loose chains. So yeah, I brought this thing with me to be a real taxi driver. This particular taxi is a Deals for Wheels. It's selling for 410,000 rand. It has 364,000 k's on the clock, so it's insane to think how a taxi with over 300,000 k's on the clock selling to close for 500,000 rand. So guys, yeah, let's see what this taxi is all about, and I think I might be the first person in this country to POV test drive a Quantum on YouTube. So yeah guys, stay tuned and let's see what this Toyota Quantum is all about. Before we go to Deals for Wheels, this is honestly a beautiful car, the new channel car, the Audi A3 Sedan. Now another thing I want to show you guys, which is really funny, this is one thing that Matt Watson is using on CarWow to see whether cars has fake exhaust tips. So this is the stick of truth. So let's see whether this Audi has fake exhaust. Oh guys, these are real exhaust. And by the way, when I put the aftermarket exhaust on this car, I'm gonna keep these OEM tail pieces. So I'm not gonna change my tail pieces. So yeah, let's go to Deals for Wheels and see what the Quantum is all about. Yo, honestly, I can't get enough of the look of this car. I think the A3 Sedan looks way better than the hatchback. I just want to see something quickly. Okay. Yeah guys, I have a biscuit spare wheel. These are my gym belongings, but I have a biscuit spare wheel, as you can see right there, and also a built-in subwoofer from Audi. So yeah, let's see what the Quantum is all about. Somewhere on the left side. Oh, here they are. Yeah, so we have arrived at Deals for Wheels. They are based in Belleville. I think they have 2 branches, if I'm not mistaken. But guys, we have arrived at Deals for Wheels in Cape Town. So let's see what this Quantum P. Hey, Mark 1. Yeah, let's see what this Quantum is all about. Morning. Oh, is it afternoon? How's it? Regan, nice to meet you, sir. Where do I... Good man. Where do I go in? Do I go in here?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. Okay, I'm doing like a YouTube video today, man.
I don't know, let's go.
Okay, cool. Thank you. So guys, we are here at Deals for Wheels in Cape Town to test drive a Quantum. Now as you can see, I have my moon bag here. Guys, let me know in the comments, what do you need to be a taxi driver? I have my moon bag, my license. I don't have PDP. I think that's another thing you need. But guys, Deals for Wheels has multiple other vehicles. They have old bakkies, cars, SUVs, trokkies. And by the way, when you see a South African flag on a Quantum, that's how you know it's a Sesfikile edition. They even have a Hummer. I haven't seen a Hummer in 10 years. But guys, let's meet Peter because he's one of the salespeople. He will be assisting me today. And if you want to buy a car at this particular car dealership, his number will be in the pinned comment, also in the description box down below. But yeah, I'm a legit a taxi driver today with my moon bag. There's no money in, but yeah, let's meet Peter, guys. Guys, this is Keenan. Peter don't want to be on camera, so basically we will be test driving that beauty right there, the naughtiest vehicle on the road, a Quantum. What's the price on this one?
This one is 14.
14, a 2020 Toyota Quantum 2.5 diesel Sesfikile. Now it's selling for 410,000 rand. It has, let me just show you guys quickly, 364,000 kilometers on the clock. It's a diesel and it has full leather interior from the inside. You have obviously manual windows, manual mirrors. I don't even know where you operate the manual mirrors. Does it have manual mirrors? Honestly, I have no idea where you operate the mirrors. You have 14 seats at the back, as well as a glass sunroof, which is covered in a carbon fiber sticker. Yeah, let's see how it looks from the rear. You even have a tow bar as well. Let me know in the comments what they call these wheels. But I see a lot of Quantums with these wheels. It has Goliath tires as well. So yeah, that's basically the interior, the exterior of the Quantum that I will be test driving today. But it's super neat. You also have a few Quantums on this side. So like I said guys, whenever you see a South African flag on a Quantum, that's how you know it's the Sesfikile edition. So guys, this is the first ever POV video in South Africa on a Toyota Quantum. And Keenan will be assisting. He's a bit camera shy, but it's fine. He will be assisting us today. Okay, so we have to grab this handle. Okay, so we got our moon bag. We got our license clutch in. First gear. Yo, I forgot where's the handbrake.
Yeah, that's
Okay, okay, that's handbrake is down. So make sure it's a proper angle. Okay, so we are in first gear. Oh my word. Guys, car guy is driving a taxi. So we're gonna turn left. And my first impressions is that okay. So my first impressions is that it's not the same as driving a car. It's definitely not the same as driving a car. Yeah, I'm not used to someone sitting that far from me, so you can feel like the taxi it's quite wide. But yo, like the handbrake. Okay, yeah, now it's down, yeah, properly. Because I could see here's like a the light, yeah. So guys, this is a 2020 Toyota Quantum powered by a 2.5 liter diesel motor. Obviously it's a rear-wheel drive vehicle. It has a 0 to 100 time of 25 seconds, so this Quantum is quite slow. It produced 75 kilowatts and 260 newton meters of torque with a fuel consumption of 9.9 liters per 100 kilometers. So it's quite heavy on diesel, to be honest. According to Auto Trader, they say you can drive about 700 kilometers on a full tank of diesel. Okay, third gear. And this taxi is limited to 100 kilometers per hour, no? Okay.
But governed to 110, yeah.
So it's governed to 110.
Yeah.
So that's what Toyota do, or the dealership, or you're not sure?
That comes with like a
Is it? So it's covered. So yeah, you can't drive quicker than 110 kilometers per hour. I think that's like a safety feature,
yeah,
I'll say.
I'm pretty sure it's a safety thing.
And keep in mind, it's a 16-seater vehicle, so you can make a lot of money from a taxi. Okay, so guys, we're in first gear. Yo. Yes. Okay, so this taxi isn't quick, but it moves. No, it has enough power to actually.
That's fun.
Yeah, it has enough power to pull 16 people. You saw that guy? That guy was like showing.
Yeah, he actually wanted to get in.
Yeah, yeah, we almost got a client. So we're in third gear. Fourth gear. So considering this taxi cost 410,000 rand, your installment will be more or less 7,000 to 8,000 rand per month, and that's worth 100,000 rand deposit, I think, because I don't know what they call that, but that's worth 100,000 deposit. Yeah, here we have a baby Quantum. Yay! A baby Quantum. Oh, camera. Okay, we need to drive within the speed limit. You know, no? This Quantum alone weighs 2.1 tons. It weighs 2.1 tons.
I actually didn't know that.
Yeah, it weighs 2.1 tons. Guys, a new Toyota Land Cruiser weighs more than this Toyota Quantum. Even if the new BMW M5 weighs more than this Toyota Quantum. Yeah, so 2.1 tons, that's the weight of a Quantum. And whenever you see a South African flag on a Quantum, that's how you know it's a Sesfikile edition. That's nice to drive, man. I feel like a taxi driver. Honestly, guys, I feel it's just like a taxi driver. But this is basically their point of view on a daily basis. This is what they see. And I mean, a lot of those taxi drivers make a living from only driving taxis, no? Yeah, this is how people put bread on the table, guys. So much respect to these taxi drivers. We have quite a lot of seats for more people. 14 people at the back. Third gear. Yay! More taxis. More taxis. Yo, they're probably thinking, who's this guy? Don't know this guy. Because most taxi owners, they know it, guys. So yeah, we can't be stopping for clients because yeah,
We'll get in trouble.
yeah, we'll get in trouble. A lot of us are used to sitting at the back of taxis, but like sitting behind the steering wheel, different experience. So we have 2 airbags, one for the driver, one for the passenger. We have a star Bluetooth tape, I think. And where's the speakers of this taxi, actually? That's one thing I'm thinking now. Where's the speakers? In the doors?
It's supposed to be in the doors.
Nah. But you know what? In South Africa, the taxi drivers put sound systems in these taxis. No? You will hear there's a taxi coming down there. Guys, when it comes to insurance, I don't know. It all depends on, you know, how long you have a driver's license and also your age, basically, no? Because I think, well, a young taxi driver, your insurance will be quite a lot. Yeah, but this taxi looks proper. It's quite neat from the inside, you know. Only these thingies, that's a bit loose. Yeah, that's something minor. Hey. So we're gonna go right here. Okay. So once we get to like a, how can I say, Voortrekker Road, we're gonna scream Bellville, Bellville. Guys, we're gonna scream Bellville. Try and pick up passengers. Nah, I'm just joking. We can't do that, guys. We just wanna feel flat foot. Yo. So keep in mind, this taxi is governed to 110 kilometers, so you can't drive past that. Okay, let's just go this side. So guys, we're driving 100 kilometers per hour, and yeah, as you can see, yeah, we can't drive past 110 kilometers. Yeah, 364,000 kilometers for a taxi like this is nothing. I mean, you can drive 1,000,000 kilometers easily with proper maintenance. When you buy a Quantum brand new, you're looking at 750,000 to 1.2 million, depending on the mileage and condition and stuff like that. But this one is selling for 410, and that's the kilometer. And it's in good condition, guys. Honestly, it has leather. I don't think you get leather interior on a Quantum. You do get, you know. But I think the aftermarket, like,
yeah, this is aftermarket seats.
but it looks neat. It's quite neat. With the Quantum, you don't have air conditioning. I think that's just a fan, basically. Yeah, I don't have air conditioning. And the top of the range Quantum is the VX model. That's, you know, you get air conditioning, a touchscreen infotainment system. Oh, just make sure we pass this truck. Okay. The first Toyota taxi was introduced in October of 1967, and that was the Toyota Hiace. The Quantum replaced the Hiace in 2005. So, you know, those Hiaces, those doors fall off anytime Nah, legit. I saw a ice taxi. The back door. Yeah, while they were driving. Nah, those taxis are crazy. And there's no airbags, so Quantum is a bit more safe. Second gear. Third gear. I think we should try and like see if we can get clients, man. We should try and get clients, yeah.
I think we'll just keep routing.
Yeah, I mean, actually, guys, yo, just wait for the stick one. Guys, let's try and get clients. I think that's how they get the clients, not by hooting.
Yeah, you just keep routing it.
Beep, 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 beep.
Someone will wait.
What's the taxi fee at the moment? Maybe like 10 rand or something, no?
It depends on how far you go.
Oh yeah, that's true,
It
yeah.
starts by 10 rand, it goes up to 20 rand. I'm not sure if it goes up to more.
Okay. So it depends on the distance.
You try.
Guys, I might sell my Audi in the future for Quantum. We'll make a lot. Shout out to Deals for Wheels for making this possible, guys. Honestly, I think this is the only dealership with proper Quantums. I've seen a few, but nah. Deals for Wheels so far was the Belville.
He was
He was actually doing. Yeah, that's funny. Belville. Nah, that's funny. Like for me, this is a whole new experience, man. You know. Golf R. Jeez. Just gonna turn right. Yo, that was the funniest part now in this video. And they're actually like keen to climb in the taxi, man.
not interested.
And guys, to be able to qualify for a Quantum like this, you need to earn at least 25 to 30,000 rand per month safely to qualify for a Quantum. And I think you get something like liability cover on these vehicles as well. A turbo as well with proper wheels and proper tires. Those are Goliath tires. Yes, today. All thanks to Deals for Wheels, guys, for making this POV video possible. At the back they also have another Sesfikile Quantum. And Keenan, thank you very much for making this POV video possible. The numbers will be in the description box down below. They also have a very rare Toyota Yaris right here. So this is a 2009 vehicle. It's a TRD with a 1.8 liter motor. It's a 3-door vehicle, and this car even has keyless entry, a 6-speed manual gearbox. It has keyless start-stop, as you can see right there. And let me know in the comments if we should come back to test drive this TRD Toyota Yaris. I'm not sure what the mileage is, but it's selling for 150,000 rand. So that's the price, and it actually has 246,000 k's on the clock. They also have a Toyota Corolla selling for 80,000 rand. And this car is super neat. The front bumper, the fender, everything line up perfectly. Another Corolla, and on this side we also have more cars. But guys, all thanks to Deals for Wheels for making this POV video possible. But if you guys haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like the video, share the video, and all the information will be in the description box down below. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.